Good morning student. I am your bio teacher and in this video we are going to study about that connective tissue. In the previous video already we have studied about that animal tissue. There are 4 types of the animal tissue: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. We have already studied in details about the epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue which is present on the outer surface of our body like a skin, internal organ, outer surface of the internal organ which is made from a epithelial tissue. And in this video we are going to study about that the connective tissue in details. Connective tissue, the name suggests what is the function of this tissue. Connective tissue, the main function of connective tissue to connect the various organs in our body. Main function of the connective tissue: connect various organ in our body. It is also binding the all organ, packing the all organ. Got it everybody? What is mean by connective tissue? Is one kind of the tissue and which is connect the various organs. There are so many organs are present in our body and all organs are connect to each other. All organs are bind to each other and they are binding with the help of connective tissue. And in this video we are going to study about that connective tissue in details. There are 3 main types of the connective tissue. 3 main types of the connective tissue. First is the connective tissue proper. Connective tissue proper. It is also called as fibrous connective tissue. Second is the skeletal tissue. Skeletal tissue. It is also called as the supportive tissue. Supportive tissue. And the third type of the connective tissue is called as a vascular tissue. Vascular tissue. It is also called as a fluid connective tissue. First we will see the connective tissue. There are 4 subtype of the connective tissue proper. First is the areolar tissue. Areolar tissue. Second is the adipose tissue. Adipose connective tissue. Third is the tendons. And fourth is the ligament. There are 4 subtype of the connective tissue propers, and the main function of these 4 types of the connective tissue is connect the various organ. It acts like a binding, supporting and packing material of the body. And there are 2 types of the skeletal tissue: cartilage and bone. And there are 2 types of the vascular tissue: blood and lymph. Got it everybody? There are 3 main types of the connective tissue and there are subtype of the connective tissue. Let's we see the connective tissue proper. First we see the areolar tissue. Areolar connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue, it is the loose connective tissue and this tissue is connect the skin to the muscle. The areolar tissue is a loose connective tissue, means the all tissue, areolar tissue and the skeletal tissue, the ground substance of the 2 types of the connective tissue is a matrix. Matrix is a ground substance of the 2 types of the connective tissue and the matrix may be solid, jelly-like, liquid as consider the functioning of the connective tissue. Got it everybody? Matrix is a ground substance. Like that, if you want to join the 2 things, to connect the 2 things, we are using the glue, gum, fevicol, and as per the things to connect each other we are using the glue. Same, the matrix is the glue like and which is connect the cell of this tissue. Areolar tissue, it is the jelly like matrix and the areolar tissue is connect skin to the muscle. See, we can pinch our body. Why we can pinch like that? Because the skin is connect to the muscle and the areolar tissue which is connect the skin to the muscle. Got it everybody? Where it is located? It is located in between the skin to the muscle, and main function to connect the skin to the muscle. It fills the space inside the organ. There is so many organs inside our body. There is a space in between the organ and the connective tissue. Areolar tissue is filled the space in between the organ, and it is also giving the mechanical support. Connect skin to muscle, connect the skin to muscle and provide mechanical support. Second type of the connective tissue proper, adipose tissue. Adipose tissue which is also present in beneath of the skin. It is also present the outer surface of the internal organ. It is the main function of the adipose tissue to store the fat. It is also called as reservoir of the fat. These are large types of the cells are present in the adipose tissue, and in this large type of the cell, in the cell we can reserve the fat droplets. And where it is present? It is present in beneath the skin, the outer surface of the internal organs, and the main function to store the fat and absorbing the shock and cushion like function to the internal organs. And you know that the fat, we get the energy from the fat. Internal organs are required the energy. They can take the energy from the adipose tissue. Got it everybody? Where it is located? It is located in beneath the skin and outer surface of the internal organ. And the main function of adipose tissue to store the fat. Third type of the connective tissue proper is a tendon. Tendon is the connect muscle to the bone. It is also made from the fibrous connective tissue. It is the white fibrous connective tissue. It connect bone to muscle, and it made from white fibrous connective tissue. And the fourth is the ligament. Ligament connect bone to bone. It is a flexible, that's why we can movement of our joints. Got it everybody? Four types of the connective tissue proper. Areolar tissue. What is the location of areolar tissue? It is present in under the skin, and the areolar tissue connect the skin to the muscle. Adipose tissue, it is also present in beneath the skin, and main function to store the fat, and it is the insulator of the skin. It is a shock absorbing the tissue. And the tendons is present in between the tendons, connect the muscle to the bone, and ligament connect the bone to the bone. And the tendons form the white fibrous connective tissue, and ligament form the yellow fibrous connective tissue. Got it everybody? Four types of the connective tissue proper. Now next is these four types of the connective tissue. Main function of this connective tissue to binding the organ, to connect the organ, and to packing the organ on the proper place. With these four types of the connective tissue, our body organs are not displaced. They are proper on place. They are packing, they are connect proper on the place. Got it everybody? Second is the skeletal tissue. The skeletal tissue is also called as the supportive tissue. Second type of the connective tissue is called as a skeletal tissue. Skeletal tissue. It is also called as a supportive tissue. Why it is supportive? Because these skeletal, we know that in our body there have 206 bones, and these bones is formed by the skeletal tissue. The bones is very hard, means it give the support to our body, so it is called as a supportive tissue, and it is made from the hard connective tissue. These are also the base ground substance is a matrix, and skeleton is also from a matrix There are two types, cartilage and second is a bone. First we see cartilage. Cartilage is made from a soft connective tissue. It is give the support of our body. Some parts of our body like a ear pinna, tips of the nose, we can bend. It is a flexible. Why? Because it contains the jelly-like matrix. That's why we can bend our tips of the nose, we can bend our ear pinna. It is made from the soft matrix tissue. Got it everybody? What is meant by cartilage? And bone is made from the hardest connective tissue. And in the bone, the matrix is filled with some organic substance like calcium, phosphate, calcium carbonate, magnesium phosphate. Some inorganic substance is mixed into the matrix. That's why the bone is the hard connective tissue. And what is the main function of bone? The bone is the function of bone is the first function is the protection of the internal organ like our heart, brain. These are internal organ, and which is covered by the brain is covered by the skull, and the heart is covered by the rib cage. Means the main function of the bone is a protection of the internal organ, and second it give the support framework our body framework. Otherwise there is no bone, our body is only muscle bone. Means it is the framework of our body. Got it everybody? The two types of the skeletal muscle, cartilage and bone. Cartilage is made from the soft connective tissue. The matrix is contain the jelly-like matrix, and the bone is the hard connective tissue. In the matrix are contained some inorganic salt like calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate, magnesium phosphate. That's why our bone is very hard. It is the rigid skeleton, and main function protection of the internal organ and framework our body. Third type of the connective tissue is a vascular tissue. And it is also called as fluid connective tissue. There are two types of the vascular tissue. First is the blood, and second is the lymph. You know that blood is always moving in our body. And the ground substance of the two is a plasma. Plasma is a liquid, and the blood and lymph is the ground substance is a plasma. In the before we have seen the connective tissue proper and skeletal tissue, it is the ground substance is a matrix. But in the plasma, the blood is a ground substance is a plasma. And why the blood and lymph is called as connective tissue? Because it is always keep moving in the body, and main function of this tissue to transport the various important material like gas, food, excretory product, hormones are transport from one parts of the body to the another parts of the body. That's why this is called as the connective tissue. First we see blood. Blood is contain plasma and cellular body. Plasma is a liquid. It is the ground substance of the blood, and cellular body is contain WBC, RBC, platelets, and there is a so many functioning of this cell body. Got it everybody? Why the blood is connective tissue? Because it transport the important material from one parts of the body to another parts of the body. So blood is called as the connective tissue. And what is the main function of the blood? To transport the nutrient, carbon dioxide, oxygen, hormones from one part of the body to the another part, and it is also maintain the temperature of the body. And in the blood, WBC is also fight against the diseases causing bacteria. Got it everybody? Blood and lymph is also blood, because there is a blood vessel. It is a WBC, RBC, and when the WBC and the plasma come out from this blood vessel. This is called as a lymph, and main function of lymph, it is also transport the gases and material from blood vessel to the tissue, and it is also transport the carbon dioxide from tissue to the blood vessels. Got it, everybody? The vascular tissue, it is the fluid connective tissue. Why it is the connective tissue? Because it transport the important things from one part of the body to the another part, and the ground substance is called as a plasma. In my next video, I will explain you the muscular tissue. Thank you.